To design your own funeral program in Canva, first purchase a funeral program template from funeraltemplates.com. For example, here the 4-page Sky funeral program. Click Add to Cart, Checkout, add your payment details here, and click Pay Now. Click the Download Now button once and wait for your file to download. This should only take a few seconds, but may take longer depending on your internet speed. Open the PDF download from your Downloads folder and click the download link in the PDF. There are 2 download links in this PDF, the US letter size and the A4 size. Make sure you click the correct download link for the paper size that you are printing on. If you already have a Canva account, you'll see the option to edit template. Click this and it will open the template in your Canva account. If you don't already have a Canva account, click View Template and create a free Canva account using one of the sign up options here. You'll then be able to open the template in your Canva account. For this tutorial, I'm using the popular 4-page Sky funeral program template. This bifold funeral program includes 4 panels arranged across 2 Canva pages. On page 1, you have the left side, which is the back cover, and the right side, which is the front cover. On page 2, you have the inside pages. On the left, the obituary, and on the right, the order of service. This layout ensures proper folding after printing. Before editing, let's look at what is and isn't editable. The background image on this program is not editable. It's locked in place for design consistency. All the text, photo frames, fonts, font sizes, and layout positioning are editable, so everything you need to personalize is fully customizable in this template. Let's start by editing the title. This one says A Celebration of Life, but we can easily edit it by selecting the text and typing a new title. For example, In Loving, and then select Life and change this to Memory. If we'd like to change the font, we can do so again by selecting the text within the text box, clicking the font drop-down menu and choosing anything from the range of fonts available. You can search for script fonts by selecting handwriting and selecting something that you like the look of. For example, apricots. If the text is now too big, you can simply reduce the size by clicking up here and pressing the minus button until it's the right size for your template. You can also move the title by clicking and dragging it down or up until you have it in the desired positioning. Let's now edit the name. Again, click on the text box, select the text and replace it with the name of your loved one. Then update the birth and death dates using a consistent format, such as January 5th, 1948 to February 10, 2026. Need more space for additional details? Click on a text box and then either right click and then select copy, or on your keyboard, click Ctrl and C for copy, or Command and C for Mac, and then Ctrl and V to paste. You can then move the text box by clicking this and dragging down, select the text, delete it, and add extra information. This is helpful for adding special quotes, additional service information, or acknowledgements. To add photos to your template, first upload photos to Canva using the Uploads button on the left-hand side, and click Upload Files. Select the photos you want to upload. You can do one or several at the same time, and then click Open. Photo will then be uploaded to your uploads here on the left. Then click and drag the photo into the photo frame on the front cover like this. If you would like to resize or reposition the photo, double tap on it and then click and drag to reposition. Use the corner handles like this to resize and click to reposition. Once finished, click Done, and this will ensure your loved one's face is centered and properly framed. To replace a photo in a photo frame, simply click and drag and release again as before. The new image automatically replaces the old one. No need to delete the first. If you accidentally delete a photo frame by clicking it and pressing delete on your keyboard, you can click the undo button, which is this top left arrow here, and it will restore the photo frame. This is a great reminder that mistakes are easily fixable in Canva. To fill in the photo collage, continue to click and drag photos from the photo panel on the left side here, and you'll quickly get to see how easy it is to create a beautiful photo collage in minutes. To resize the entire photo collage, click and drag the mouse to select all the photo frames like this. Click Group, and then use the corner handle to resize the entire photo collage proportionately. Click and drag it to the center, and this keeps spacing aligned while adjusting layout size. If you would like to add an additional photo, you can simply click an existing photo box, click Ctrl and C to copy it, Ctrl and V to paste it, and then position it where you'd like it to go. You can then click and drag a photo and replace the existing one like this. You can remove text, reposition text boxes, and make photos larger, customizing every element of this template for your needs. To edit the obituary page, scroll down to the second page of the Canva template. On this template, there's 3 photo frames. If you don't need these, simply click and select them, press delete on your keyboard, select the title and obituary text box, click and drag to raise them to the top of the page, and then replace the sample text with your own obituary text. This sample is about 225 words long, so by deleting the photo frames, there's more space for a longer tribute. If you'd like to reorder any of the pages of your template, for example, if you'd like the order of service to be on the first inside page and the obituary on the second, click and drag the obituary text box to one side, select the obituary and title, and click and drag it to the right, then click and drag the order of service text box to where the obituary was, and they're now on opposite pages. If you hold down the Shift button on your keyboard when dragging, you can keep text boxes aligned correctly. So you can easily arrange content order to match your ceremony structure. Once you've finished editing your template, click Share, Download, and select PDF Print from the File Type drop-down menu. This is best for printing. Make sure both pages are selected and click Download. This produces a high-quality print-ready PDF. Open the downloaded PDF from your Downloads folder, review all the pages carefully to make sure you're happy with the text and content, and then save the file to a USB drive. To do this, click File, Save As, locate the USB drive on your computer and click Save. You can then take the USB drive to your local print shop for professional printing. If printing from home, click File, Print, make sure Print on both sides of paper is selected, and flip on Short Edge so that the booklet prints correctly. Select Paper Quality as Best, and select Borderless if you have this option for your printer. This will print the program to the very edges of the page. Always do one test print first before printing multiple copies. Designing a funeral program in Canva is simple, flexible, and much faster than starting from scratch. With a professionally designed template, these step-by-step instructions, you can create a polished, heartfelt program that honors your loved one beautifully.